Hi Taurus, this is your channel messages for the 10th of June. This is the second time I have to do your reading. Alarm went off. I didn't even set the alarm, but it went off. So I don't know what this is. Oh, what's up? Okay, let's go again. Take 2. Your channel messages, Taurus, is, well, not channel messages. I was just mentioning the fact that I was watching brain surgery. Someone was doing a craniotomy for management of subdural hematoma. A deceptively simple operation. Somebody might be doing brain surgery. Maybe you're having, as Jamaican call it, blood clot. Maybe you're having blood clots in the brain or something like that. You're getting brain surgery or head bleeding, internal bleeding, okay? I had your cards laid out here, but I'm gonna start over because maybe you need a different message since it's a different reading. All right. I was also mentioning the fact that I don't know if Chris Brown needs to do his own stunts. I don't know if Chris Brown needs to be acting in movies because nothing requires that much choreography. Nothing. He didn't have backup dancers. You know why? Because no backup dancers can catch those flicks in the sky. He needs to join loop kicks. You know that? You know that? I thought Usher was bad. Chris Brown take it. Chris Brown take it from Usher. Mr. Brown, you took it? You fucking took it? Man, do this and that. You see how the man... Him need for the stunts. That's what he need to do. Anyways, let's go. Magic coming up first. Yeah, it felt like magic. I was 5 minutes into your reading and an alarm came up. I didn't even set the alarm. Alarm for 7 o'clock come up. And it's 5:49 now. We got 11:11. Yeah, something about time, alarm, magic. Maybe a phone compromised. Maybe something else is compromised. We got enemy. So I'm getting the enemy looks like you, okay? If you're wondering who is the enemy, they resemble you. We got program. And we got pictures and videos. I'm kind of want to go back to what I was saying in the first reading about something about an injury. I feel like you're out and you listen to music or you the sports or you play and all of a sudden you just feel so tired, you just drop down or you drop ill and you're in the hospital for some reason. Pictures and videos, enemy, program, magic and 11:11. You know, a lot of basketball players, you ever see sometimes a basketball player, them okay and then them just drop down. I know it's a part of the same MK Ultra that they use on a lot of people, right? You ever see some athletes just get heart attack and you don't know what happened to them organs, right? Enemy 11:11. Your enemy looks like you, or at least they're partaking in the same things you're partaking in. Pictures and videos, but also getting, I don't know if this is a young person, me getting like you get a dare for jumping on one lake, or you get a dare for jumping a body of very, very, very dirty water. You need to be careful what you do. Because me getting you go jumping on one body of dirty, dirty, dirty water, swamp water, because you want, because of a bet or something like that, and me getting you go pick up something very, very deadly. Because me getting, I don't know, you know, because I will sometimes when I take public transportation, I will see the people who claim that they're friends with people and them like them hit them and them mistreat them in a public. I'm like, this is your friend? This is supposed to be your friend? Why hit you? Why humiliate you? Why step up on your shoes and all type of thing in a public? And yeah, laugh it off like it's funny. Yeah, they're your friend for setting body on fire. Yeah, they're your friend for do some fucked up things and you know your friend will get hurt. That's not your friend. I'm getting you around an enemy. Or I'm getting careful, I'm getting something about brain infection or something with the brain. It could be love on the brain. We have the moon card coming out first, so I'm getting the secret, or I'm getting something about a body of water. I'm getting careful about the body of water. I'm getting you're going to catch an infection. We got the 6 of Cups. We got the 8 of Cups, a lot of cups. And we got the Page of Cups came back again. Yeah. Something about a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. I feel like you talk to somebody about something and you have a limited amount of time to make up your mind or make a decision about whatever this is. Me getting you here and you know there's something wrong. With you, maybe you had some type of magic up in the hill. Because I'm getting you ask somebody how to do something and then you went up in the hills and you did it yourself. Enemy. I don't know. You'll be very surprised to find out what people have been doing on your name, you know. You get me? People have your picture in a candle a burn. right? People bury your name and picture on the people grave, on the graves, on the graveyard dirt, all kind of things. They whip up a magic potion and they throw it in the ocean so you can forever be oppressed. You have some people life mash up. Like them can't find a work, them can't find a way out. Everybody they meet betray them, abuse them. Them seem like them can't get ahead in their life. Every year you see them they're the same place. Usually it's because people are the magic upon them. That is how much of a threat they are. People say, you not gonna win a life. You can't make it. I'm gonna make sure say I'm gonna do this type of voodoo magic shit for make sure say you don't prosper. This is what we're fighting in 2024. And all you're doing all that voodoo to stop me from elevating, having money and having the love of my life, but you still can't do voodoo on my body. Why is it that the voodoo isn't working? Why is that your voodoo isn't working on my body? It's not working on my beauty. It's not working on my body. It is working for the jobs. It is working for probably someone I date in the future. But it's just not working on the beauty. I guess your voodoo isn't that strong, is it? Isn't it? Isn't it? Or something like that, okay? Let's go. I'm tired. I am tired. But every single day I come here, they obey me. Every single day I come here, they do witchcraft to get me the fuck out. But I ain't going nowhere, ho. Bitch, I don't care if you're a virgin, ho. We got the Page of Wands coming out first, all right? We got the Ace of Wands. We got the Hermit. And we got the Queen of Pentacles. So I'm getting Aries, Leo, Sagittarius man tell you about something you can do in the nights. Or I don't know if them said come accompany me somewhere. I'm getting you did. Now I don't know if you and somebody decided to take a stroll under the moonlight, just a walk, and the walk turned into a sexual encounter. I'm getting now you talk to somebody about it. Or you ask somebody, hypothetically, if this happen, what you think me for do? I'm getting you hide. You're hiding. Either you hide yourself, you're hiding the fact that the two brothers go up into the hill, go sacrifice their mother. Or am I getting you attracted to your mother? I'm getting that you're a water sign, but in the night you wish you was a fire sign. Like you're a water sign. Maybe you wish you was more bold, you wish you was more, you wish you was more like extroverted than introverted. I don't know if something about you and your brother, one is a water sign, one is a fire sign. And I'm getting something about you, one of the brothers blaming the other brother for the mother leaving or something like that. Or am I getting your son and tell you, say, listen, this is the last time you're going to see me, I'm going to leave. And the mother is like, where are you going to go? And they're like, don't worry about it, I'm going to leave. I'm getting you wish you were somebody else so bad. Maybe you wish for a new face. Because I'm getting it starting off with the Moon and the Page of Wands, and then the Page of Wands disappear, but the staff is still there. I know you're talking to somebody. Like you ask somebody, put a spell on me so I can look a certain way for 12 hours. And then when midnight comes, the spell going wear off. That's like you're meeting somebody as a fire sign, but when the spell wear off, when 12 o'clock hit, them go back to a water sign. Or something like that. I'm gonna leave it here, Taurus, until next time.